Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I am featuring Nadula hair, and I will be installing the 14-inch frontal wig today. So the first thing I did was I bleached and I plucked the knots off camera. Now all I need to do is install it. I initially wanted the middle part, but then I changed my mind and I went for a side part. I will not be using glue for now. I won't be using glue for a while on my channel. I just cannot be bothered because I wear my wigs for like 2 days, so using glue for only 2 days really doesn't make sense in my opinion. So I just use my Got To Be Free spray and it does me well. So now I'm just cutting my lace using my cuticle scissors, and I'm going in zigzag motions. It's important you go in zigzag motions. That way the lace is less likely to be, visible, and it blends much better into your skin. So what I do is I spray my Got To Be Free spray and I put my lace down literally like 5 seconds after I've sprayed. I don't dry down the Got To Be spray before I put the lace down. I put it down whilst wet and then I dry it together. I find that this method really ensures that my lace lays, rather than doing it the other way where you just let it dry down, then you put your lace on. It's less likely to stick. But when you put it on whilst it's wet, it will latch on to the Got To Be and it will melt into your skin. Then I'm going to take my band and sort out the rest of my hair. And now I'm taking my Keracare wax stick and my HOTCOMB, and I'm going to use that to lay the rest of my hair really flat and prep it for, when my styling process. And now I'm just going to cut my edges really short, and then I'm going to take my Afro G mousse. I didn't actually show it on camera, but I used Afro G mousse, and that's what I'm going to be using to style my edges and hold my edges in place. So this hair is straight hair, but I will be curling it because I just really like that look. I've never done it before and I'm so happy I tried it because I absolutely loved it. I'm just going to take my straightener and I'm going to curl the hair. I just go outwards, and yeah, I just really like curling with a straightener rather than an actual curling iron for some reason. I don't know, I just prefer it anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to create some curls, and then I'm just going to finger comb them out, and that's literally it.
From Miss Sound Producer.
Okay, so to define my part, I'm going to be taking some hair dye spray, and I'm going to spray a spoolie or mascara one, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to use that to touch up my roots. So everywhere that is a bit over bleached or is a bit too wide, I use the spoolie and the hair dye to touch it up, and then I go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shades Fawn, and I take a concealer brush and I just define my parts, and that's literally it. I'm done, guys. I really like this hairstyle. Only thing I say about this hair that's a con is I wish it was a tad bit fuller in density. That's the only con I have about this hair. The lace is chef kiss. The knots are amazing. Everything is just really nice about this hair. The only thing is the density, and I wish it was a tad bit fuller. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. All the details on the hair will be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.